Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Becca, the maker behind Novae Makers Mart, where I create digital projects for at-home cutting machines like Cricut or Silhouette. Today we're making this clever 3D camera gift box, a fun and interactive way to capture a special moment. You can even add a real photo to the back screen for a personalized touch, and then open it up to reveal a hidden treat compartment inside. This is project number 73 in my growing collection of 3D paper designs. Since I have so many new projects to share, I've decided to challenge myself to post 3 new 3D projects every day. Make sure you subscribe and check back often so you don't miss out on any of the fun. As always, all of the projects I share are available on my Etsy. Now let's get started. Start by gluing this layer down onto the front of our camera. Then take that layer and glue it down in the center of the base layer. Glue each of these long black rectangles to the top and bottom sections of the camera, just like I'm doing. Grab the 2 smaller rectangles that look like this and add them to the sides. Next, we're going to glue down the small gray rectangles to either side, making sure to line them up with the gray on the front. Grab the layer for the back and carefully fold along the score line. Then grab the 2 layers that look like this. Fold along the score lines on either one, and then add glue, making sure not to glue down the tabs, and then attach the 2 layers together. Grab the back layer of the camera and insert the tabs into the slit on the top right-hand side. Then fold the tabs over on the back and glue them in place. Next, add glue all along the back of this layer. And then press it down onto this base layer, overlapping the rectangle cutouts. Take both of these layers and fold along all of the score lines. Next, grab the layers to add the details on the back of the camera. Start by gluing this rectangle layer down to the solid gray one. Then glue the black rectangle down in the middle. Take the circle layer with the cutout and glue it down to the solid circle. Then add glue to the back of that layer and place it onto the camera. Add glue to this door section and glue the rectangles down on top of it. Grab this layer, fold along the score line, and then insert it into the slit in the back of the camera. Then add a dot of glue and gently close the door so that the tab sticks right where it needs to. This helps make sure it's perfectly placed to keep the door closed. Add glue inside each of the 3 rounded rectangles and press a button into each one. Then add a bit of glue on top of the buttons and layer another identical rounded rectangle on top. Finally, add one more layer of glue in the same spot and place the smallest rounded rectangle on top. Stacking them like this gives the buttons extra depth and a more realistic finish. Now let's grab the layers for the front of the camera details. Start by gluing the little circle and rounded rectangle into their spots at the top of the camera. Then grab the gray layer that looks like this and fold along all of the tabs. Add glue to the first few tabs and attach them to our circle base. Continue around, adding glue to each of the tabs until the circle is complete. Add glue all along the back and press that down to the front of the camera. Repeat those same steps for the black layer. Turn it over and add glue all along the back, and then press the other black circle on top. Now let's glue the remaining circles onto the lens, starting with the largest and working our way to the smallest. Grab the 2 small circles and add them as accents to the lens. Then put the lens onto the camera. Add glue along this tab and then attach these 2 layers together. Add glue to the rest of the tabs and fold up the edges. Set that aside and grab the layers for the top buttons. Go through each of these black layers and fold along the score lines, then add glue to hold them together. Once those are all assembled, we'll glue down these layers for the flash. Now take one of the smaller cubes and glue it to the middle of the larger one. Add glue to the bottom of each one and attach it to the top of the camera. This next part is optional, but I'm going to glue down the top of my tabs. And that's it. Your camera gift box is ready to snap some smiles. Whether you personalize it with a real photo or keep it playful with paper, it's a charming way to package a surprise. You can even try it in different colors or patterns to match the occasion. Thanks for crafting with me. If you enjoyed this project, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with what you'd like to see next.